Eastwood Concours PRO paint gun is the professional paint gun you want when you're spraying your car. And when you buy this gun, you also get this detail gun, a cleaning kit, regulator, a cup for each gun, a 1.0 tip for the detail gun, and 3 needles and nozzles for the regular gun, as well as this case to keep them clean or to take them with you. Everything you see here at one great price. You took the time and effort to restore your car. The last thing you want to do is skimp on the paint job. And if you're doing it yourself, there's no reason to put yourself in a hole by using a cheap hobby gun. The paint is the first thing people are going to notice, so you want to do the job right. And the Concours PRO is a gun that sprays like a $500 gun, but at a great price. Now let's take a look at these guns. The precision machine work used to produce these guns provides ultra-fine atomization as well as years of durability. Exactly what you need to get the best paint job possible, not only on your current project, but all of the future projects as well. They feature stainless steel internals, so you'll be able to spray solvent and waterborne coatings. Plus, they were designed to work with smaller compressors, so these guns require some of the lowest CFMs of any HVLP gun on the market. The full-size gun can operate at 6.5 CFM at 30 PSI, and the detail gun at as little as 3 CFM at 22 PSI. The fluid, fan, and air controls will allow you to get optimal settings for the best paint job. The kit comes with all of this, including a detail gun with a 1.0 needle and nozzle, a 100 milliliter plastic cup. The full-size gun comes with 3 needles and nozzles, a 1.3, 1.7, and 2.0, plus a 600cc cup. Everything you need to spray primers, base, and clear coats. A regulator and cleaning kit is also included in this lockable storage case that's going to keep your guns protected from dirt and dust. Whether you're painting your first car or you've been doing it for years, the Eastwood Concours PRO 2-gun kit is the setup you want to do a professional job and have a great looking car. Do yourself a favor, get the paint gun that's going to allow you to do the job right. Get the Concours PRO kit today. And remember, when the Eastwood Concours PRO is in your hand, you'll have the confidence you need to spray your car.